will solve the 11th question of the exercise 9.4. Here we have to find the particular solution of the given differential equation. In question number 1 to 10, we learn how to find the general solution, and here we have to find a particular solution. So in the general solution, there we were getting the C constant. That C we have to find with the help of the given value of x and y. And whatever value we get of C, that C again we will substitute in the general solution, so that will become a particular solution. So let's see. Here we will apply. We will first solve the given differential equation by variable separable method. So dy upon dx equal to, you can write 2x square plus x upon, this will be x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now from these both the term we can make a pair. So from these first two terms you can take x square common, so you will get x plus 1, that will be equal to x plus 1. So dy upon dx, you can write it 2x square plus x upon x square, you will take common, so this will be x plus 1 and plus x plus 1. From here we will take plus 1 common, so you will get x plus 1 only. Now dy upon dx equal to, we can write 2x square plus x upon, this will be x plus 1 and this will be x square plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 we took common, so we got x square plus 1. That dx we can multiply here, and we will integrate both sides. Okay, so you will get dy equal to 2x square plus x upon x plus 1. In the second bracket you will get x square plus 1. This here in the denominator there is given the product of two brackets, so we can apply here partial fraction, okay, to solve this differential equation. So we will assume here, here we will write 1 upon, or we can write 2x square plus x upon x plus 1 and x square plus 1 equal to, you can write a upon this x plus 1. This is linear function. Okay, now this is what? This is quadratic, so we can write here bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Okay, now we can simplify, so you will get here 2x square plus x upon x plus 1 and this will be x square plus 1, and here we will take LCM, so we get the same x plus 1, x square plus 1, and we will multiply here, so a into x square plus 1 you get here, plus bx plus c into x plus 1 into, okay, so this will be cancelled both the bracket, which means we will get finally 2x square plus x equal to, here we will multiply by a, so it will be ax square plus a, and here we will multiply by bx plus c with the x plus 1, so bx square will get, then we will multiply to 1, so it will be bx, then we will multiply to c with the x, so plus cx plus c. Now we will compare the coefficient of x square. So x square, there are the two terms, so we will get the first equation a plus b equal to coefficient of x square is here 2, so this will be equation 1. Similarly, now we will compare the coefficient of x, so it is b plus c, so b plus c equal to, here coefficient of x is 1, so we write 1, and third equation we will get by constant term without x, so it is a plus c equal to 0. So from here we will find the value of c and we will substitute in equation 2. So c equal to minus a we got. That you will substitute from equation 2 now. We will get minus a, or c we will write first and minus a, or we can write minus a plus b, c value is minus a plus b equal to 1. This will be equation 3. Adding equation 1 and 3. Adding equation 1 and 3. So we will get a plus b equal to 2 and minus a plus b equal to 1. So minus a plus a will be cancelled. It will be 2b equal to 3. So b equal to what you get? 3 by 2. Now b we got. So you can get b is 3 by 2. So here you can substitute in equation. In equation 1, either in equation 1 or 3, you can substitute that value of b. So in equation 1 only we will substitute. So from equation 1, we will get a value. A equal to, we will get 2 minus b. So it is 3 by 2. So a equal to what we will get? 2 2s are 4 minus 3 upon 2 means 1 upon 2 equal. Okay. So c is equal to minus a. So therefore c equal to what we will get? Minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So a, b, c, all the three values we got, which means here you can write integration of dy equal to this. We will write, we will separate it. So integration of a, we can put here integration. Okay. So a is the what? 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 will be constant, that will be outside, and there will be 1 upon x plus 1. Okay, into dx plus, we will replace this with this. Okay, now bx, integration of b is 3 by 2 into x plus c is minus 1 upon 2 upon into dx upon x square plus 1. This we got. Okay, now this we can write y equal to 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus, here we can separate it. So 3 by 2 will take constant is common, means outside of this integration, and we can write x into dx upon x square plus 1, and that I will rub now. Now we will get here 3 by 2 into x into dx minus this minus 1 upon 2 also will be outside. So you will get here 1 upon x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, which means y equal to, will get here 1 upon 2 log of mod of x plus 1 or log of x plus 1. Okay, plus here 3 by 2. This here, if you take this as a t, so derivative of this will be 2x. Here x only is given, so we have to balance this. So we write here 2. So we will multiply in the denominator also by 2. So 2 2s are 4 will be. Means if we take this as a t, so derivative of t will be 2x plus 0. Okay, which means 2x into dx you can replace by dt. X square plus 1 equal to t. So dt upon dx equal to 2x. So dt equal to what will get? 2x into dx. So 2x into dx will replace by dt. Okay, this will be dt upon t. So log of t, t is x square plus. So we can write here 3 by 4 into log of this will be x square plus. Okay, now minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, and this is what it is given x square, integration of x square plus a square or a square plus x square into dx equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. This is the identity. So here a is 1 square. 1 is 1 square we can write. So you will get here 1 upon 2 tan inverse 1 upon 2 is this, and 1 upon a means 1 upon 1, it will be 1 only. Means 1 upon 2 into 1, it will be 1 upon 2 only. Tan inverse x upon 1. Okay, plus c. Plus c. Okay, this we got. Now You can substitute the value. Which one? X. For finding the value of C, we will substitute x and y. X, put the value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So this will be 1 upon 2 log of, this will be 0 plus 1 is 1. This we can write 1 plus 3 by 4 log of, this will be also 0 square is 0 plus 1 means 1 only, minus 1 upon 2 tan inverse, this is 0 upon 1 means 0 only plus c. So this term will also be 0 because log of 1 is 0, log of 1 here also 0, so this term will also be 0, and tan inverse 0 is also 0 because tan theta equal to we can write here tan inverse 0 equal to theta, so tan theta equal to what will be 0, and for which value of theta this value of tan theta will be 0? For 0, tan 0 will be 0, which means theta will be what? This tan 0 is what? 0. So we can write here 0. So 0 into 1 upon 2 will be what? 0, which means what we will get finally 1 equal to c. This will be 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus c means c equal to 1. C equal to 1 again we will substitute in equation 1. Substitute value of c in equation 1. So you will get here in equation this we can write this c is 1. Okay. So we will get y equal to 1 upon 2. Here this 1 upon 2 we can take in the next step in the exponent, means we can write 1 upon 2 here because m into log of n will be log of n raised to power m. So here 1 upon 2 you can write here. Okay. So in the next step we will write log of x plus 1. This is also, here also we can write. So it will be plus 3 by 4 log of x square plus 1 and minus 1 upon 2 tan inverse x plus c. So from these both the term 1 upon 4 we can take common even. So because this is 3 upon 4 1 upon 2, so we will get here 2. It will be again easy. So 1 upon 4 we will take common from both the term. So it will be what? 2 times log of, because we will divide 1 upon 2 by 1 upon 4, so we will get 2 log of x plus 1, and here plus 3 log of 1 upon 4 we took common, so 3 log of x square plus 1 we will get, and minus 1 upon 2 tan inverse x plus c. Okay, that 2 we can write here and that 3 we can write here. So you can apply here y equal to 1 upon 4. This product rule, log of m plus log of n equal to log of mn, which means log of, you can write x plus 1 whole square upon x square plus 1 raised to power 3. This will be 3 because 3 is here, na? 3 were there. So 3 we will write means raised to power 3. Okay, this 3 we have shifted in the power. Minus 1 upon 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this will be particular solution. C value we have substituted now 1. We will substitute here 1. So this will be particular solution of the given differential equation.